It's been raining for days. You look up to the clouds and ask yourself, why won't it rain? Why are the clouds just sitting there? Well, there are several reasons why some clouds choose not to rain. And today, we're going to dive deep into all of them. For a cloud to produce rain, three things are needed: liquid water, a lifting mechanism, and a cooling process. Now, the most common type of cloud that produces rain is the cumulus cloud. Cumulus clouds form when warm water evaporates off of Earth's surface and then rises into the atmosphere. As the water vapor rises, it cools and condenses into liquid water droplets, forming a cloud. For this process to work, though, the air needs to be stable so that the vapor can rise without getting blown away by winds. When the air is stable, the vapor can cool and condense into liquid water, which falls back to Earth as rain. But sometimes the air is unstable, meaning there are strong winds at low levels. When this happens, the rising vapor gets blown away before it has a chance to cool and condense. In this case, you might see clouds form in the distance, but they never produce rain. Another reason why some clouds don't rain is because they don't have enough liquid water. Clouds are made of tiny water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the air. These droplets, or crystals, form when water vapor in the air reaches its dew point, the temperature at which water vapor condenses into liquid water. If the air doesn't have enough water vapor, then it can't produce clouds or rain. For example, if it has been dry for a while, and there hasn't been much evaporation from bodies of water or plants, then there may not be enough water vapor in the air to form clouds or rain. Or if the air has a low relative humidity, meaning it can hold more water vapor, it may not produce clouds or rain. Finally, sometimes clouds just can't produce rain because they're too cold. Clouds form when water vapor in the air reaches its dew point and condenses into liquid water. If the air is below the dew point, then the water vapor can't condense and the cloud can't form. For example, if a cloud is formed by strong winds high up in the atmosphere where temperatures are very low, it may not produce rain. In summary, clouds are fascinating natural phenomena that can have a significant impact on our daily lives, while they may seem simple. There are many factors that go into their formation and behavior. Understanding why some clouds do and rain can help us better predict the weather and appreciate the complexity of the natural world around us. So next time you look up at the sky, take a moment to appreciate the science of clouds and the role they play in our planet's water cycle. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.